In this video, I'm going to show you how to segment your audience using lists and tags. Now, lists and tags are the two different ways that you're going to be able to segment your audience into manageable groups. So lists are going to be selections of people that you would like to send regular emails to, whereas tags are going to allow you to seriously laser focus your filters when sending out emails. So you'll be able to give your contact extra information through the use of tags, allowing you to send very focused offers to those groups. So let's go ahead and navigate over to our lists by clicking on lists over here on the left-hand side. And you'll see that we've got our two lists available. The first list is our all contacts list, so that's every contact in the system. And then we have that warm-up list that we created when we imported that list into the system. But we can create other lists, so lists for people who have signed up for a particular funnel or program or webinar, whatever it is that they've signed up to. We can create a list that then targets the users who have signed up for that specific offer. So let's go ahead and create a waitlist, for example. I've got a waitlist, I've got a product that's coming out, and I'm getting users to sign up for that waitlist. And we want to go ahead and make sure that they receive the correct emails when that product is released. So let's go ahead and call this waitlist, and then we're going to hit save. Now, like I said, you're generally going to add users to lists through things like funnels, product purchases, things like that. But we can also manually add contacts to a list. To do that, we're going to click add contact, and then you'll select which contact you want to add to that list. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And then let's just add a few more contacts. So, you know, the A's over here are going to be added to this wait list. And there you go. So now we've got that wait list that's been created, and we've got some contacts that have been added to that. We can go ahead and save those changes, and then we'd be able to target that list when communicating with them. The other way that we can segment our audience is through the use of tags. So if I click on tags over here on the left-hand side, you'll see that we do already have that tag that we created when we imported that list. It's our 2026 import list. But again, we can create as many tags as we need to. So we can go ahead and create a new tag by saying add tag. So let's go ahead and say that, you know, they're a hot lead. They've opted in for a specific offer, and that makes them a hot lead. So we want to assign this tag to them. And then you can go ahead and once again, manually assign this tag to contacts if you need to. But you can also you would generally add these tags to your users through funnels, product purchases, or other parts of the system. And I do show you how to do that in the respective playlists. So make sure to go through those playlists as well to understand how you can automatically assign lists and tags to your users when they perform certain tasks within the system. So that is how you can segment your audience using lists and tags. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to grant access and create specific access cards to different parts of the system. I'll see you there.